I'm recording! Quiet on set! Oh, it's time to crack one for the boys.
You guys know what's coming. Y'all knew it was coming.
It's right there.
Let's go unbox it.
Ship me off, Teach. Take me to somewhere nice. Oh, what? They're back in stock. How are they back? Oh, it's on the loose. Hey, go back, sir.
So you may be asking yourselves, do they know how to install an exhaust system?
No.
On a Lamborghini Huracan?
No.
Yes.
No.
Nearly the same thing as the Aventador, except we're gonna be keeping the stock downpipes. Now you might be saying, Teej, why are you gonna keep the stock downpipes? It's just gonna be quieter and more restrictive, but here's the catch. The Audi R8 has the same motor, and the R8 and the Huracan sound nearly the same, but we have the stock cats in the R8, and it is bonkers loud. So this system from Army Tricks is gonna be replacing that. Big shout out to Army Tricks. If you guys have an exotic and you're looking for an exhaust, I'm gonna link them down below. Be sure to go check them out. This exhaust system is gonna give us the volume we need, and it's also gonna have valves, so we can open and close the valves just like the R8 does, so we can kind of control the volume a little bit, and then when we want to, we can flip it open and have it be ridiculously loud. I also had two options. I could either choose the black tips, or I did the titanium blue polished stain tips. I went with the Hot Boy tips. Because the car isn't a bright color, we need to add a few things around the car to spice it up, so I went with the polished blue. First things first, before we jump into this, we have to take off the rear bumper. Now the rear bumper on the Aventador was really annoying, but on the Huracan, it's actually much simpler.
Oh, it's bolts, bud.
This on the Aventador clips in with little secret clips that break every time you pull this thing in and out, but this has like T25 bolts. There's about 10 of them outlining the ridge. We're gonna pop that out, remove the fender liners, remove a couple bolts, and this thing comes right off. Man, I do not miss working on a Lamborghini. It takes a million things to remove one small thing. We have pieces littered throughout the whole entire shop. But one little thing I wanted to note that I thought was pretty funny. This is the vacuum line. This is the solenoid that controls the valves on the stock exhaust. So when you're in Strata mode, it leaves it closed so the exhaust gets maximum silence. And then when you go in Corsa mode or Sport mode, it opens the valves and bypasses a little more of the muffler, so it gets a little bit louder. Well, it looks like the previous owner stuck in some screws right here, and he just bypassed it, leaving the valves open all the way. Now, I didn't even realize that because this thing is so quiet just to begin with, but it is pretty funny we noticed that he did cap these. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these and put them into the new exhaust so we have the functioning valves, because it will be a lot louder all the time. And when we're in Strata, we're gonna want it to be just a little bit quieter. I have learned that that is a nice luxury to have. And action.
I'm not good with cameras, okay? So we're on the step of taking off the V-bands. What TJ was able to do was release the special V-band that has the clamp, but that's not actually what's clamped. What's clamped is these teeth. I already have one off. I don't know if you can see it. You see it?
Kind of, but I don't know if it'll now. But yeah.
Every time these seize up because of the heat cycling, so I need to go in there with a screwdriver and a hammer, smack it off. Really easy. After that, it falls out. We'll take the whole thing out, replace all the bits.
So from underneath the car, Calvin's gonna get, uh-oh, we don't have the same passage.
We don't have the same passage.
We don't have the same look. So look empty? You got nothing? Want me to go up a little more?
I got nothing. Oh, I see it.
Should I go up more?
No.
You want to do it from here?
Good, Dad.
So Calvin's getting a long pry bar, and he's gonna set it on one of the notches on the side of, oh, there you go. So we're just trying to break the seal. You have a small tip of it right there. Yeah, you're good. Break the seal from the V-band. Yes, sir. Exhaust system is installed. We technically could start it right now, but I think Calvin and I are gonna decide to wait. We wanna see it all said and done. So a lot easier to put this exhaust back in. Now you can get a way better view of what we were looking at. All you have are 2 V-bands on the right and left side. You have an exhaust mount on both sides mirrored right here, and then you also have one on the bottom. The only thing that we're not 100% sure on is the certain angling that the tips are at right now, because the stock exhaust has them tipped up just a little bit, and then we have a sleeve that goes in the bumper, like you can see over there. It has a polished one. These sleeves will sit in here, so we're hoping that these are the right angle and that we don't have them tipped too high or tipped too low. Hopefully they're just right. But this is one of the best looking cars ever without a rear bumper, and I'm sure a lot of you guys want us to do a rear bumper delete, but you can't do a rear bumper delete if you don't have twin turbos, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Calvin are now gonna restart this whole entire process, put it back on, gotta do the intakes, crash bar, bumper supports, and then throw the bumper on, and we should be good to go. Didn't film the last like 30 minutes because Bucky stopped by. We played a game of skate. I won. If you want to watch it, it's gonna be on Bucky's channel.
You gotta film him. You can't have that in the...
No, is your...
I did not snap. Snap her in.
Mine's hanging.
Snap her in.
You snapped yours in? No.
Snap yours in. Snap her in.
Snap it in.
Snap it in.
I don't know if I can do it.
What do you do it?
Do the tips look like they're lined up, kind of?
Yeah, they're good.
Enough?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, they look good. Because I didn't want to take that off again. I don't want to do that off.
All right, well, thank you guys so
all
much for watching today's YouTube video.
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, don't have to put the wheel wells back in.
No.
Oh, you can't take the camera, Dot. That's not, cameraman Dot, you can't take the camera. You can't. You gotta give that back. You gotta give that back.
See, Dot?
Thank you. That's not right. Bust time has to wait. But you're gonna bust?
I'm gonna bust.
Gonna go work out.
I'm gonna bust so hard.
Okay, well,
You can't
demonetized.
Hey, no, we're talking about working out, man.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a good bust. He's gonna bust. He's gonna show me how to bust.
You're probably gonna bust.
He can't bust. He just did skateboard. he just did skateboard memes. He's tired. He's too tired to bust, dude.
Yeah, you guys think you're funny?
He's not gonna keep any of this done.
Bumper's on, everything's done. It only took us, okay, all in all, we started at like 12, it's 5. 5-hour install, it's not too bad. The tips look great. I believe everything's good. The new exhaust is gonna smoke, so when the engine bay is smoking, let's not be alarmed. The valves might be closed at startup because the stock valves were open all times. So now that it's plumbed correctly, it's probably gonna be open or closed. So just when you start it, put it to sport and we'll see how it sounds.
Give her a rip, brother.
We'll see how it sounds. Oh, come on. Come on, don't. Dude.
How do you work in this environment?
Dude, he literally wears headphones when he gets like an impact gun. Here we go. Let's see how. I can't be that loud.
I mean,
Wait, okay, we plugged in the lights. Cal, did you plug in the brake lights?
We never unplugged them.
No, like on that top bar.
press the brake.
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. Whew. All right, okay.
I can start it in Forza.
Start it, baby.
In Forza?
Oh yeah, go for it.
Send it.
Put it to Strata.
Didn't really help.
Didn't make a difference. Can you play the Corsa? Oh, I heard
It's like a slight pitch.
Barely.
change, yeah. You can hear it.
Oh, yeah. All right, just keep talking.
You can definitely hear that.
There's a difference, but like, there
Is there though?
Remember this way, if you're starting it up in your neighborhood, it ain't gonna make a difference. All right,
Let's hear it, bud. Whoa!
Dude, I just got covered in gas. And it's like, dude, that is so loud.
Give her.
Give me a couple clicks. Damn.
Brother.
Dude, it sounds so much better than the R8, but it's the same motor.
It might be the Armitrix.
Dude, the Armitrix got the spice.
The sauce?
The sauce, the Armitrix sauce? You got the sauce?
Damn.
Damn.
Damn, that was hot. We're gonna put the car in Corsa mode. It's going in manual. I have not gone in manual yet, so I have no idea how it sounds. But I can just tell from driving, it is louder, but what's great is that because it's mid-engine, I say this with all my mid-engine cars, you never get a sense of drone. Like, yes, the car is louder, but there's no drone on the freeway or anything like that because the motor's behind you. There's no tubes underneath you carrying the noise. All right, okay. Let's just slow down a little bit here. Okay. Dude, the pops are like crispy. They're so crispy. You can finally hear the motor like breathing. Damn. Nice pipes, Tamika. She's got some chops, boys.
Kona, is that a naked mom behind you?
When you start the car tomorrow, is it gonna be loud?
I can take the Lambo tomorrow? Tomorrow. If we have to take the dogs to the shop, then we can't take the Lambo. But if we don't take the
We don't
dogs...
have to take the dogs to the shop tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, it sounds so good.
Does it really sound different?
I will be blown away.
If I can't tell the difference?
Yeah, I'm gonna be like just doing like a daily vlog tomorrow. So like I'll be vlogging in the morning. So I'll be vlogging on the way to work.
1 to 10, you won't let me sit in front of the Lambo right now and start it up.
No, absolutely not.
Come on.
You wanna walk down 2 flights of stairs
Oh.
to start a car. That's gonna be really loud.
Really? Like wake up the neighborhood loud?
Yeah, of course.
Like our neighbors would hate us?
I mean, they already hate us, so like, will they hate us? I mean, that you're speaking in different... Guys, we don't have TVs anymore. I just want to point that out because what am I supposed to do?
Oh, I know, you could just...
Sabrina had this bright idea of moving in our TVs first. So our whole entire house right now is boxed up. Like we have, yes, it was your idea. Well, it wasn't. I don't know why I blamed you for that. I just naturally blame things on Sabrina.
It was literally yours.
I should say we were a unit, we're a team, we are one. We had our stuff moved in, our TVs moved in first.
It was your idea.
Severely regret that decision because...
That was definitely not our best move.
So tonight we're gonna play Mancala in bed. We're on a Mancala kick. If you guys don't know who if you guys don't know who that is, if you guys don't know what that, ow! If you don't know what it is, whenever I vlog at night, Sabrina just like gets really feisty. Like she gets really aggressive and just throws things at me.
I just like to play with things.
This game. If you have this in your house and you've seen it, but you're like, I'm not gonna play that. Like, why would I play that? Play it. Look it up. It's really easy, but dude, we are into it. We play a lot. as of recently. So we're gonna play this in bed, and the Huracan sounds amazing. I'm actually in love with the Huracan. I wanna buy another one.
What?
Yeah, the R8's out. Getting another, dude, the Huracan's amazing.
You like the Huracan more than the R8 officially? You do?
Let me put it this way. Like, the R8 has its place.
No, the R8 is.
The R8 is a better daily driver. It's a better all that. But like sometimes, I mean, you can't lie. It's Audi or Lambo. The Lambo's better.
True.
But the R8 is plush and it's amazing in its own way. But maybe it's just because I'm super hyped on the Huracan because it's brand new.
Honestly,
And like, I just
take over the R8.
I want you to. I want us to like mob. We'll go someplace and rather than going in the same car, like, no, you take the R8, I'll take the Lambo.
But I like to drive with you.
Yeah, but it's cool to drive separate. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I upload videos multiple times a week. So when you subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you get told every time, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace out and keep moving forward.